You might think all Gongyo practices are the same, but did you know there's a world of difference between morning and evening Gongyo? What is the difference between morning and evening Gongyo? The difference between morning and evening Gongyo lies in the timing and intention behind each practice. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths of spirituality and mindfulness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our enlightening content. Today, we're diving into a topic that has puzzled many: the difference between morning and evening Gongyo in Buddhist practice. So, let's get started. Morning Gongyo is like the sunrise of your spiritual day. It's the time when you set the tone for the hours ahead. The practice involves chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo and reciting specific portions of the Lotus Sutra. The aim is to align your thoughts, actions, and intentions with the positive energies of the universe. Think of morning Gongyo as your spiritual breakfast. Just as a nutritious breakfast gives you the energy to tackle your day, morning Gongyo equips you with the mental clarity and focus you need. Evening Gongyo, on the other hand, serves as a spiritual reflection of your day. It's the moment when you can pause, take stock of your actions, and prepare for a peaceful night. The practice remains the same, involving chanting and recitations, but the focus shifts to purification and gratitude. Imagine evening Gongyo as your spiritual journaling session. It's the time to jot down your spiritual wins and lessons, helping you grow and evolve. While both morning and evening Gongyo involve similar practices, their impact can differ based on when they are performed. Morning Gongyo is about setting the stage, preparing your mind and spirit for the day's challenges. Evening Gongyo is more about reflection, a time to look back on the day's events and set intentions for the next. Consider morning Gongyo as planting seeds in a garden, while evening Gongyo is the time you water those seeds and remove any weeds that might have sprouted during the day. Whether you practice in the morning or evening, Gongyo offers a plethora of benefits. From mental clarity to reduced stress and even improved physical well-being, the advantages are manifold. The spiritual upliftment, however, is the most significant. By aligning yourself with the universal law embodied by Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, you open up a world of possibilities. It's like tuning your radio to the best frequency. Whether it's morning or evening, you're ensuring that you're always receiving the best signals for a fulfilling life. We've explored the nuances between morning and evening Gongyo, from their intentions to their impact on your daily life. Both practices are like two sides of the same coin, each complementing the other to offer a well-rounded spiritual experience. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos aimed at enriching your spiritual journey.